Hi guys, Through here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to talk about Ranger bands. If you don't know what Ranger bands are, they're little rubber bands that were first used by the US Army Rangers, hence the name, Ranger bands. So you can find these for sale on Amazon and eBay fairly easily, and they range in price, but they're usually sort of around £5, £6 for 10, which is quite expensive I think, because they're just made from a bike's inner tube, and you can get a bike inner tube for £3 or £4. Which is enough to cut and make loads of bands. Or you could even do what I've done here, find an old discarded wheel and just take the inner tube out of it. Then they don't cost you anything. So they're very easy to cut with just a simple pair of scissors like so. And they have a range of uses, that you can burn them as an emergency tinder, because they're made from rubber. You can use them to keep everyone's favourite pocket survival tin, the Altoids tin, closed. You can use it to attach things to the sheath of your knife if you have a Mora knife, such as this one. And as you can see, it has a good firm hold. So guys, as ever, thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care.